What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W. coming back at you guys again today with a motivational video. I'm going to teach you the 3 steps you can implement to quit your 9-to-5 and start selling on Amazon, making a living that's going to generate you over 6 figures a year. Now that may sound crazy, but guys, the year 2018 going into 2019, e-commerce is growing at 20% per year. More and more people are realizing that they can quit their jobs and start making money online to do the things that they want to do in their free time and not pave the way for someone else's dream to be built. Another thought I want to leave you guys with is that 300,000 new sellers have started selling on Amazon in the year of 2018 alone. And the crazy part behind that is 140,000 of those sellers are now making over 6 figures a year reportedly. So in revenue, it's not that hard to do. It's a pretty simple milestone for a lot of sellers to pass the $100,000 a year mark, and you hear more and more people saying, I'm a 6-figure a month Amazon seller. So that $100,000 mark is not too hard to pass. It all comes down to a couple things I'm gonna break down for you in just a minute, guys. But I just had an awesome time out paintballing here. It's a Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna throw some clips in over this video to just kind of hype you guys up, to let you guys know that this is something that I've instilled in my life, and I've now not had to work a job for over a year and a half now, due to the fact that I'm making more money online right now, selling through Amazon, affiliate marketing, growing my YouTube channel, all of these things that I actually really enjoy doing. I'm building a brand asset that I can later sell for heaps and heaps of money, guys. There's a website called Flippa. You can go flip the brand that you've built on Amazon for hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars. Now, the last thing I want to say before we jump into the core of this video is that up until November 11th, Veterans Day, I'm doing a $100 discount on my Amazon Seller Pro course. And you're gonna learn that one of the steps to building your passive income on Amazon and quitting your 9-to-5 is actually learning the content and material first. So I highly recommend you guys, you can even shoot me a message, drop a comment, but go check the link down below and you're able to check out my Amazon course that has every video title in it so you can see exactly what the curriculum is. And I'm offering that $100 coupon just for about 7 more days past today. I'm offering this coupon for those that are still sitting on the fence wondering if this is a viable type of income for them. Let me tell you guys, when you start this, you're gonna get so excited building your own dream, guys. That's what it's all about, not paving the way for anybody else. This is building your brand, your income, your private label business, and I'm teaching you how to private label a product. That's pretty much the most profitable form of selling on Amazon. I have a ton of tricks in there, and the best part about it is I'm fully accessible to every one of my students. So those that do get it, I'm able to literally give them my phone number and be in contact with them whenever they need it. So let's get into this, guys. Step number 1 is gonna be actually treating this online business as if it was a 9-to-5. You're gonna wanna put in a ton of work in this. You wanna invest in the tools, the mentorship, and things that you need to succeed. You don't wanna half-ass this part, guys, because this is the beginning of your business, and when you can invest in the time and really put in a ton of effort to your product researching, really spend a couple of months researching different products, because after you find one, you're gonna see maybe a couple days later you found an even better one. So really spend a lot of time in this, look into different market niches, and always run your products by me so I can let you guys know if it's a viable product. I've been selling on Amazon for quite a long time, mentoring people, having coaching calls, so I know a lot of these regular problems that people are facing, and I'm really able to help you guys a lot just because of that. If you feel like you're already super busy and overwhelmed during your day-to-day activities, guys, it doesn't take that much work. I'm talking space this out over a period of time. If it just takes you 1 to 2 hours a day to do it, it's not a big deal, guys. Treat it like a habit, just like you're going to the gym or you're taking time to cook a good meal, things like that that really matter in your life. Think about it. When you do a little bit of a hard work up front, you're able to just make so many gains and not have to work that hard for years and years to come. I like to use the metaphor of planting a seed in the ground. In the beginning, you have to nurture that seed, water it, give it fertilizer, let it grow big, and be really watching over it. Now, after it grows into a big tree, it can provide you with fruit for years and years. And that's exactly what this Amazon business is really all about. Nurturing it in the beginning, and soon it's really gonna start running on autopilot to the point where you just have to call your supplier and order more inventory. Now, the one caveat to all of this, guys, is that there are gonna be failures. Entrepreneurship is not a cakewalk, guys. There are gonna be boundaries, and that's another reason why having a mentor in the process is able to overcome all of these problems for you quicker, and you're gonna succeed a lot faster without having to spend that much money. But having little failures are super important, guys, because you learn each time you fail and you start getting better and better. Now, a lot of people quit before their third attempt at a product. You know, I've had one product that was doing mediocre. I was making sales, I made some profit. It wasn't selling as fast as I wanted. The second product wasn't that great. Even the third product wasn't really what I wanted in my business. It took me till my fourth product till I fully realized what I wanted to do and how to start making some serious money on Amazon. So having these little failures are really important for your growth as an entrepreneur. There's also another saying about the guy who makes $1 million. It's not about him having $1 million now, it's about the person he became in the process to make the $1 million that is worth all the money in the world. So step number 1 is all about putting in that hard work. Now step number 2 is about thinking how to launch your product, how to get it discovered by customers, and actually beat out competitors to make a ton of sales. Now, long gone are the days when you can just copy a product, put it on Amazon, and let it sell just along with everyone else, guys. If your grandma can copy the exact business model you're doing and sell your product, you've got a problem. You need to do little tactics, and I can give you some right here, is just simply seeing what you can do to beat out your competitors. Really spend a lot of time reading the negative customer reviews on competing products, guys. You'll be amazed by the gems that you find and information that can really have your product be a knock out of the park success just by reading your customer negative reviews. You need to find a way to differentiate your product from your competitors. That's step number 2. Step number 3 is you want to pull the trigger on this product as fast as you can after you've figured out everything, you've calculated all your business plan. You want to pull the trigger as fast as possible. Number 1, because other competitors may see this opportunity and try and get it in themselves. Another reason is that it still will take you about a month for your manufacturer, your supplier, to build your product. That takes about 2 weeks, and then maybe it will take another 2 weeks to ship your product into Amazon. Now, you don't want to be sitting around, guys. This is the number 1 thing that I've heard so many big entrepreneurs, Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, they all say that quickness is the new gold, guys. You want to be quick and take action as fast as you can after you've calculated everything out. So when you have this awesome plan of action and you've pulled the trigger and you start seeing sales on your first product, guys, you're still in your 9 to 5, you know, give it a couple months. Once your income on Amazon is replacing your income in your 9 to 5, then just walk away from it after a couple months if you want to do that. Some people actually like their job, and the cool part about Amazon is you can have a side hustle on Amazon and you can still work your job. You can decide how much money you want to make based on how many products you have in your inventory. If you want to add a couple new products, maybe you're adding $5,000 or $10,000 more to your monthly income. So it's really however much you want to make it, guys. You can have a full-blown 6-figure a month business on Amazon, or have an extra 5 to 10 grand a month to spend on the things that you love, spend time with your family, take more time on vacations, just live the life that you want, guys. I'm tired of everyone here in America saying we're in the land of the free, home of the brave. But a lot of people just aren't free, guys. We still have all these lines going into traffic and 9 to 5 work, and it's just so sad to see a lot of my buddies waking up at 6 a.m. taking the bus for 45 minutes into Seattle where they have to work all day long, guys. It is not a necessity to have to do that anymore if you don't want to. So the 3 steps are: find a mentor, have an awesome plan of action to launch your product, and take that action real quick, guys. And to help you guys take that action even quicker, I'm doing this $100 discount, guys. So for $397, maybe half or a third of what you're making on a 2-week paycheck in your 9 to 5, just invest it in this business model, guys. I have 65 videos. Amazon works, guys. There's no reason it doesn't work. It's been working for years and years. The opportunity is not dead. Even though, like I said, 300,000 new sellers are on Amazon, the amount of new products and opportunities that arrive every single hour to Amazon are just exponential. There's new trends happening. So many things are happening, and Amazon's only growing bigger and bigger, guys. Don't wait for this. Don't be coming in with the late majority of people that realized after so long that they thought a 9 to 5 was the only way to do it, that now everything is online, so you really have to end up doing it now at this point. Start sooner than later, guys. This is the age of opportunity, the knowledge age, where you get paid based on how much knowledge you have, not by how much time you put into something. So I recommend you guys start doing this. Please go enroll in my Amazon Seller Pro course while the discount is available up until Veterans Day, this November 11th. And that's all I'm going to say for you guys. And I will see you in the course. I will see you in my next videos. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Peace out.